Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Simone SHARICE, and today in this video we are going to be balayaging Savi hair collection. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but Savi hair collection is my brand. I've always had my own hair brand, but I review other hair brands. I know, confusing, right? I kind of put my brand on hold a little bit just so I could, like, you know, continue building myself up at the same time. But behind closed doors, what you guys don't know is I still do make wigs. I still sell them all the time through my website, SaviHairCollection.com, but my hair is bomb.com, it always has. But I feel like I needed to go back to the drawing board and kind of just like revamp the entire look, like packaging and all, you know? So I'm really excited to continue working on my brand, Savi Hair Collection. Like, it feels so good to be wearing a product of my own that I can say, like, this is mine, you know what I'm saying? So really excited. All right guys, so here I have our Savi body wave in 12 inches, and we're gonna go ahead and balayage this hair, okay? The knots are already bleached for you. I already bleached them, so when you get the wig, everything is already done for you. All you have to do is just literally put it on your head, okay? So to get started, I am using 40 Developer with L'Oreal Quick Blue. I'm gonna use 3 scoops of that. I'm just gonna pour some 40 Developer on top of it. So I use Quick Blue because it helps to like lighten the hair much more quicker. I believe it's about 7 levels, so I was told at Sally's. So when you put it on the hair, it's much more quicker to dye the hair rather than BW2 powder. Next, you wanna go ahead and just section off the hair into nice thin layers, not too thin because, you know, it'll take forever, but nice even layers. And I'm gonna put the bleach on the ends of the hair and then kind of gradually make my way up, but really going ahead to create that V shape. And I guess the whole point of the V shape is it kind of helps it to look much more natural rather than ombre. Ombre kind of starts towards the end of the hair and kind of just stays towards the end. At least the balayage kind of gives you that natural look where the color is gradually flowing throughout the hair. And I guess that's the point of going up, down, kind of. It helps to give that illusion that it's just naturally flowing through the hair. So this is how one row looks. I went ahead and I put foil only over the roots of the row that I just did because when we do the next row, I don't really want the hair from the next row to touch the roots of the first row. So I went ahead and I just spread this whole entire part up because pretty much we're doing the same exact pattern throughout the hair. Think of a V shape. The V shape is what's gonna give us that natural look, y'all. And then every now and then I went higher and lower, higher and lower. I actually put the bleach on the hair. It took about 15 minutes in total. So the good thing about Savi Hair Collection wigs is we do all the work for you. I'm doing literally everything for you. I'm dyeing it, I'm bleaching the knots, I'm customizing the front if you want it to be more customized. All the work is done for you, honey. All you gotta do is just take it out of the box and put it straight on your head. That's the goal, you know? I mean, if your hair is really long, it might have a few bends in it when in packaging, but that's normal. For the most part, you're taking it out the box and putting it straight on your head. Next, I went ahead and I just washed all the bleach off the hair. This part is very important, guys, because if you leave any of the residue on the hair, it is going to feel disgusting. Like, it's gonna feel so nasty every time you run your hands through your hair. So this part, I spent a lot of time rinsing this out, keeping it under the water and really making sure that everything is out of the hair. Okay, so I'm going to use my Shimmer Lights shampoo, and this is pretty much for blonde and silver hair. Now, this hair is not blonde or silver, but I did put it in the hair to kind of tone it down a little bit and take out a little bit of the brassiness if there was some. So this is really used for that. I left it on the hair for a total of like 10 minutes just to see if it did anything, and it kind of took a little bit of the redness out of it. So it did help a little bit, but it didn't do as much as it would do if it was on blonde hair. And that's okay, this hair is brown, it's not blonde. Next, I went ahead and I conditioned the hair. This is important. This helps to bring your wig back to life, okay? It makes your hair look more healthier, makes it look amazing. This is how inside of the wig looks, in case you're wondering. And yeah, just really rub that conditioner on it and let it sit for about a good 30 minutes. And this is it, partially dry, partially wet. So it has a nice wave to it, guys. You can wear it wavy or you can wear it straight. And we're about to go ahead and straighten this baby. Of course, you guys know I'm big on my blow drying. I am a blow drying, I want to be a master, but I am great at blow drying. So I spent a lot of time doing this. I did it row by row. The only thing about blow drying sometimes you have to be careful with is it can make any hair look dry. So you want to make sure you go back in and really add a nice moisturizer or a nice light oil to your wig or your hair. This is how it looks. Guys, my hand is so shaky, sorry. This is me thinking I'm cute with my braids and my makeup. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and try on the wig that I just balayaged. This is how it looks. This is the color we're working with. And you can see the color nicely fades into the brown. Very neutral. You can wear it all year round. It's not too bright. So if you're not a fan of color, here you go. I love this color though. This is like a nice fade. I call this the work wig. The work wig or the mature wig. Because it's like, you look brown. Okay? So to put on the wig, a Savi hair wig, this is how you do it. So when you get it, it'll come off the box just like this. It's already styled and parted for you. And you're just going to... Oh, and also, guys, I want to mention to you guys that there is lace on the back of the wigs. That does not make it a 360 lace frontal wig, okay? There's just lace added to the back in case you want to do like a low ponytail or something. It's not a 360 wig. I want to make that very clear to you guys. If it was a 360 wig, it would have lace going all the way around. Hold the headband up like this. Put it upside down. Put the headband on first. Then put the wig on. Okay, let's fix it up. Alright guys, so this is the end result of my balayage. I think it looks really good, by the way, not to give myself props, but props given. I love it a lot. This wig for me is like an everyday wig, yo. Like I could wear this like to work, I could wear it out with the girls, I could wear it on a date, I could wear it to go grocery shopping. This is like a real like everyday. Love this. Again guys, this is from my brand, Savi Hair Collection. Alright, so go ahead and the link is down below to order your custom wigs. Savi Hair Collection is down below, okay?